Greetings fellow artisan, I'm Roberto Vitucci, and in this video I will show you how to make this leather waist restraints. This might actually be the simplest project I made so far, with only 3 lines of stitching, 8 rivets, 6 buckles and 1 D-ring 20mm wide to set. In this pattern you can choose 5 different sizes for wrists of a circumference between 15 to 19 cm. What I'm making in this video is the smallest one of 15 cm. These wrist restraints are composed of 16 big and small leather pieces, 2 main bodies, 2 sides, 6 straps and 6 back holder pieces. You can get the same leather I use in all my video from Pasquale Stellitano. Check the video description below, where you will find the links. Let's start stitching the side pieces to the main body piece that has a stitching hole on the side. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I always use a 1mm round punch for the stitching holes. You can go up to 1.5mm round punch if you wish. For the thread, I always use a 1mm waxed thread. Let's stitch the 2 main body pieces together. You can have glued them to give more rigidity to the piece. If you wonder why I put a piece of masking tape on one side, that's to remind me of the order on how to insert the needles to get a straight stitching line. You can look for one of my previous videos where I explain a bit about how to stitch. Assembling the straps. You need to mark yourself the rivets hole on the straps, since the position may vary based on the buckle you use. The last piece to set. Join the D-ring holder to the main body. Now let me explain about the straps. Top, middle and bottom have different sizes. Shorter on top and longer on the bottom. The top is where the ring is attached. About the orientation of the straps, since they are not striked, the inward curve of the straps need to point toward the top. The way you attach and make the buckles rest is up to you. I like how they looks in this position, but you can turn them around however you prefer. Let me remind you to check the video description below, where you will find the links for my Etsy shop, where you can get my patterns, and my Facebook group, where I share free patterns occasionally. Now you can follow me on Instagram too, and don't forget to give me a like and subscribe here in YouTube, so you will always know when a new pattern is out. That's all, thank you for watching. If you followed the instruction till now, congratulations! You have new wrist restraint to play with. Have fun!